Danke bafethu. So njengoba bekuripotiwe kuthiwa le team leni Casablanca le uLodge adlala kuyo ku-loan from Mamelodi Sundowns. So leya team le yamfuna ukuthi bamsayine permanent adlale khona because kuyashiwo vele ukuthi uLodge udlala kahle kakhulu kuleya team futhi u-adaptile to climate change yalaphana eMorocco and is one of the most influential guys laphana eteamini. uLodge-ke sekore kuma-team ayi-2 or kulama games ayi-2 ababuya kuwo ngempela, nanokuthi uma-assist futhi uya-contribute win ama-man of the match, like win izinto ezi-different for i-Wydad Casablanca yabo. So but now iMamelodi Sundowns asking price yabo bathi bona ngeke bakwazi ukuyikhipha, reason being bona bane-ceiling, kusho ukuthi mabasayina ama-player kunemali abangeke bona bayikhiphe yabo. So abasayina ama-player ngemali eningi, njengoba iMamelodi Sundowns kuveziwe ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ifuna 15 to 20 million for Thembinkosi Lorch. Sikhumbule ukuthi uThembinkosi Lorch former Orlando Pirates star, ithena 32 years manje ngoJuly. Lokho kusho ukuthi if uzosayina umuntu ona 32 nge-20 million akwenzi i-business sense e-right lokho, because uLodge number 1 ubuya kuma-injury and akwaziwe ukuthi uLodge uzoba fit for isikhathi esingakanani as a 32 year old manje ngo-2025 yabo. So i-high risk for i-team ukuthi isayine uLodge nga-20 million bangazi nanokuthi angeke asalimala na, njengoba iminyaka yakhe vele iyakhula and abazi ukuthi ama-injuries wakhe lawa amqale ku-Pirates ama-injury nakuMamelodi Sundowns aqhubeka yabo. So nangale maybe wathinteka nje angaba injured, so if bathatha i-20 million abo ba-invest i-20 million ku-player elina 32, ngabe maybe bathatha i-20 million bathenge mhlawumbe ama-player ayi-5 or ayi-10, cause bona bathenga ama-player, khona i-player balithenge nge-100,000 US dollars, that would be around boma 1.5 million. So ngale mali efuna iMamelodi Sundowns bona bangathola ama-player around kwamanye ama-countries la e-Africa aboma yi-16 ngemali yeplayer elilodwa le Mamelodi Sundowns ifunayo yabo. So for bona they have to be very calculative, nanokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ifuna imali eserious ngempela, bona bathi ngeke bayikhiphe le mali le ngoba benza izinto ngendlela yabo, you understand. But-ke sobona ukuthi i-deal yakhona izohamba kanjani ngoba uLodge kuMamelodi Sundowns abasamdingi. Asilimeleni iqiniso babafowethu, iMamelodi Sundowns ayisamdingi uLodge, uhambe ngoba ingasamdingi, bayabona ukuthi akana contribution to iMamelodi Sundowns kule team le ekhona yabo. So ingakho bavele bathi okay hamba kuloni, and uMiguel Cardoso uthe nama-player lawa kuloni or angadlali basazo-eda amanye ama-player, so lama-player lawa angadlali asenkingeni ngempela. So iMamelodi Sundowns yini iplani labo for uThembinkosi Lorch? Asisho ukuthi bamhambise mahhala yabo, asisho kanjalo, sithi bamthengise nge-price enjani e-reasonable ukuthi nama-team akwazi ukumdonsa uLodge. So but-ke we just have to wait and see ukuthi bazokwenza kanjani ngoba le team leseyishilo ukuthi uLodge bafuna ukumthatha baye ku-Club World Cup, and i-Club World Cup idlala phakathi kwaJuni and then to ulokhunjana to July, and i-contract or le loan le iphela end of June. So kumele bazame ukuba manje babe neplan manje ukuthi i-Lodge i-career yakhe kwenziwa kanjani between Mamelodi Sundowns nale team le, and then-ke bazothatha izinto from lapho. iMamelodi Sundowns if bona bathi abamthengisa uLodge, yini iplan labo for uLodge? Cause ayikho i-team yase-South Africa ezothenga uLodge nga-20 million, ngiyala bafowethu. uLodge akakabi ama-performances amakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns, uhlala ebhentshini isikhathi esiningi. Yes uvuka njengoba adlala lena eMorocco, but-ke yiphi i-team ezomthenga nga-20 million? Asilimeleni iqiniso bafowethu ngoba i-Casablanca yes uyadlala uLodge u-free khona, but 20 million ayikho i-team ezomthenga 20 million. Mamelodi Sundowns funa 20 million, ngeke bamthenga 20 million, kumele behlise i-price and then ba-renegotiate maybe-ke yabo, or-ke bona bamthathe back-ke bamdlalise lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns, cause uLodge siyazi ukuthi mayebuyele kuMamelodi Sundowns ngeke adlale. Mamelodi Sundowns team sakhona si-tight, nanokuthi ngeke abe i-stand out star because i-coach already nama-player wayo, uyazi ukuthi i-system idlala kanjani. uLodge bekakhona lapha ne-coach yabo, azange adlale yabo, that is why ali namhlanje angekho. So kwenziwe njani-ke from manje yabo? Izithi i-Sundowns bekumele i-compromise ithi okay sinikeni lese 50% lo, like bavumele le team le. Na obvious Sundowns akumelanga ivumele i-team ukuthi bayibhulishe, kumele badictate i-price kaLodge ukuthi imalini ngoba yibo phela bam-ownayo uLodge yabo, une-contract nabo. So will be interesting to see ukuthi isitori sakhona sizohamba kanjani, sobona ukuthi i-decision izoba yini, nanokuthi umdlali uThembinkosi Lorch yena ezumdlali ufunani, yini ngempela ayifunayo, ufuna ukuhlala lapha eMorocco, ufuna ukuya kwamanye ama-team, yini into ayifunayo yena? Danko bafowethu.